Derail before you people get the idea, huh? Hey, I wouldn't go out there if I were you. It's very dangerous out there. All the animals are carnivorous. The chipmunks will chew your feet right off. No waving. Don't wave. It conflicts me. And no pictures, because this is a secret place. I don't want the FBI to know where I am. No waving, no pictures, no cute children. No waving, no pictures, no cute children. And none of that, whatever that is you're doing, don't do that anymore. And no blowing kisses. Hey, don't blow kisses, especially you. And you're taking a picture. I see you. You can't hide behind those foster grants. You're in trouble now. You know, you're the reason I failed anger management. You know that, don't you? Hey, you know what? I'm coming out there. The conductor's up there laughing at me, and the engineer's dancing the hula. But I'm going to blow the tracks up. So there. All right. Now, it's going to blow up after you've gone, but you'll have to walk back. You hear me? Don't worry about a thing. Oh, no, not yet. Don't go yet. No. No. Hey. Hey, what happened to my bomb? Now I'm really angry. My bomb didn't go off. Hey, you yellow-bellied, lazy-livered land lubbers. I know all about you. I know about your Twitter and your book face and your Pokemon Go. So just go. You don't belong here. This is my woods. I live here. You're all flatlanders. Besides, you stink. You smell like soap. You, I hate soap. Soap stinks. All right, conductor. Pull that thing over and let him off. Make him walk back. You hear me? I don't want him out here. Just make him walk. You know what I'm talking about? Hey! Hey, you're not stopping it! Hey! Boys and girls, get off. Let's go. Boys and girls, and come look in my mind. Alright, you be a good digger, okay? We'll have s'mores afterwards. It'll be a lot of fun, right? Hey, you know what? I'm also looking for a wife. I don't care how ugly you are, as long as you can cook roadkill. Any volunteers? Yeah! Well, yeah, come on down. Can you de-set a skunk? Yeah! Good eating! To be my wife, huh? Hey, any comers? Hey, that little girl called me a goat. I'm getting angry now. You better watch out. I'm coming after you. goat. Goats live on farms and they have cloven hooves. I live in the woods and I have big claws. Besides, did you ever get a salad that had wolf cheese? No. What? I gotta talk to these people. Hey, you know what? You never ever saw a goat drive a car. No. Goats can't drive cars. Hey, I'm a wolf, it's true. You know I'm a wolf. So's he. He's a wolf too. Yeah. Oh, there's a wolf right there. Hey, does your wife even know you're a wolf? There's a girl wolf. Hey. Oh, he's a wolf. I know it. I can see wolves. Hey, you know what? My daddy was a wolf. My mommy was a wolf. My brother was a wolf. My sister was a ballet dancer. But she married a wolf. Hey, you're all going swimming in the whatchamacallit river, because I'm blowing up the bridge. Blowing up the bridge. I'm blowing up the bridge. Hey, ow! Come and get it! Hot lightning and cold thunder! This is it! This is the bridge killer! Alright? Now, just keep your eye on that bridge! Just watch the bridge, right? See the bridge right there? Hey, there it goes! 1, 2, 3, woo! Hey, it didn't work. Didn't work. Hey, let's do the wolf cheer, okay? Wolf, wolf, W-L-L, wolf, wolf, he's the best. Wolf, wolf, W-L-L, wolf, wolf. She likes the wolf, he likes the wolf, they like the wolf. Yay, wolf! Wolf, wolf, W-L-F. I am the wolf and I am the best. Yay, wolf! Bye, boys and goats! Bye, girls and sheep! Hey, don't go away mad. Just go away! Ow! Oh, oh, oh! I hear a wolf! Let me hear it! Ow! Ow, ow! Wolf, hard!